Jamb year 2010 government objective past question number 12, and the question here says one of the general tenets of fascist doctrine is that the leader is dash. One of the general tenets of fascist doctrine is that the leader is dash. When we talk of fascist means members of fascism. And when we talk of fascism is a system of administration which manage all the activities of humans in the state, and this was practiced in 1922 to 1943 in Italy under Benito Mussolini. So, and one of the tenets is option A says subordinate to the law of the state. Option B says weak relative to the constitution. C says subordinate to the norms of the state. Option D says supreme relative to the constitution. But what we are looking at is the doctrine, the tenets of fascist doctrine is that the leader is supreme relative to the constitution. The leader is so powerful because by this we say that it's a system of government in which the states, particularly the leader, manage the affairs of the citizenry. So if you read the history of Italy between 1922 to 1943 under Benito Mussolini, you understand the principle that surround fascist or fascism. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.